How to remove all of the data in a table using Django. I have two questions. How do I delete a table in Django? How do I remove all the data in the table? This is my code, which is not successful.
Inside a manager.
As per the latest documentation, the correct method to call would be
If you want to remove all the data from all your tables, you might want to try the command python manage.py flush. This will delete all of the data in your tables, but the tables themselves will still exist. See more here, this URL.
Using shell. 1. For deleting the table. 2. For removing all data from table.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.